Okay guys, this is Michael Wataharu playing Motocross Madness, and last time we completed the last track of Australia, and we unlocked a track for Iceland, and we unlocked some Uber flips. We're going to try that out as we do Fire and Ice. Jeremy Saunders, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's see how well I do. Alright. Of course, I'm going to be playing this blind because I haven't played this track before. Finish loading so I can talk some more. This rock, basic rock track, pretty okay. So, are you saying that the riders are in imminent danger? Is that what you're saying? This will be interesting. Alright, there's Mick Turnbull, and there's Rachel I already see. I wonder if she's single. We got Ricky Gibson. Wait a minute, who's this? Who's this? It's Ryan Schwinger. There I am. There's Olaf right next to me. Ryan Schwinger. And there's Rex R.C. Cooper. And there he is. Roderick Rodfinch. Alright, let's see. Now, I want to see how we do this. Right button, left button. Oh. I totally screwed that up. How stupid of me. Oh, hey, shortcut. Yeah. Oh. Roderick knows the shortcut too. And, yeah. Okay, got 10 coins, alright. That's always good. Whoa, ghost flip. Well, that's a new trick, and that's me wrecking. That kind of caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie. And whoa, hello, I'm running into people's homes. This is, well, this track is kind of, whoa! Thought I had enough air time for that. I was wrong. Yeah, oh, come on now. This is gonna be a bit more complicated than I thought it would be. Oh, I somehow managed to land on my feet there. Make a perfect landing. I don't know what the hell I'm saying anymore. Whoa! Okay, whoa. Yeah, I totally skipped a lot of track there. That was, I'm probably gonna have to redo this, replay this race, actually, because of that nonsense. Whoa, Sidewinder. Okay. I wonder what would happen if I tried to pull a whip now, because the flips and the whips use the same buttons. And oh gosh. Oh, almost did it again. Shoot, let's see what's over here. Oh no, whip is still a whip. A whip is still a whip. And you must remember this. A kiss is just a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. Here's looking at you, kid. Shoot! Shoot! My gosh. That was awful. That probably, well, okay, at least I'm not dead last. That's always good. No. Am I really? Oh gosh, darn. Oh god, rocks everywhere. Rock and roll, man. Okay. Oh, almost hit some spectators. Okay. Another spin doctor. Oh, Vinci! 98. He's online. I wonder if I can challenge him, or if he's even interested. Let's see, I don't wanna... Okay. Alright. Just trying to not go off track again. And I am a rodeo clown. Okay. Alright. I'm in the final lap and I'm in first place. And no, let's not screw this up. Let's maintain our lead. Let us maintain the lead. Okay, and liquid sword. That sounds good. Not gonna risk it. Not gonna risk it. Not gonna risk it. Okay. Okay, I am way in the lead if I'm looking at that mini map correctly. Okay. I'm probably not, but I do like that this particular course has more shortcuts, more ways of completing the course than the other ones. There's more options, as it were. And I did it! I said as it were again. And I bailed. That was epic. That was an epic loss, but I'm still in the lead at least. I got that going for me, which is nice. Okay, alright, yes. Okay. Oh, ghost flip. Okay, I didn't want to pull off another trick. I didn't want to bail again. Okay, and we are so gonna be in the lead. We're so gonna win this race. Yes! Gold! Woohoo! Almost 6 minutes, so I did not beat any of my other friends on Xbox Live, so, yeah. Anyway, if you're actually watching this video, hey, there's my Xbox Live handle up there. You want to add me as a friend, you do it, okay? Give me a sip of water. This is gonna be a traditional thing, getting a sip of water after a race. Because it's just so exhausting. Hey! Unlocked an achievement! Pro! I've unlocked all the Iceland racetracks! Yes! 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 Throw that snow in my eyes. Go me! $6,000. Almost, no, probably about halfway. Just need 8,000 more. I'm rounding up. Let's see what I get. The Geyser Run. Okay, that seems like fun. So, I guess next time, we're doing the Geyser Run. And no, I did not manage to become a megastar this week. I'm okay. I'm still a star though. Still get that 10% bonus XP. That's always good. In fact, let me show you what you would earn. Hey, in the RC Racers Online. Some of your Fame Star rewards for this is if you get a megastar, you get you have to complete challenges every week. And if you complete enough challenges, you can earn the Megastar thing. But it'll only last for a week, so... Anyway, star costume. Looks pretty dapper. Yeah. I look like Pharrell Williams and Get Lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. Okay. Anyway, that's going to do it for me this time round. This is Michael Wataharu. Take care, and remember that there is somebody out there that cares about you. You know, keep that in mind. And if you're still wondering why I'm still saying this, you know, because, you know, suicide is still prevalent, and I'm still trying to get over the fact that Robin Williams is no longer with us. And, you know, dealing with my own demons, especially around this time, it's kind of... I just kind of keep reminding myself about that, so I want to remind you of that as well. Okay? So take care.